of 10 marks. Number 1. MS Access is a dash program. MS Access is a database program. Number 2. A. Fields. B. Rows. C. Cells. The correct answer is option A. CU. 1. Data. The answer is rows and several words in cells. So thereby we completed section B. By no late, let's go into the video. Section B. It consists of 50 marks. Attempt any 5 questions from this section. Question number 6. It consists of 10 marks. Question number 1. Write the steps of starting of MS Access. It consists of 5 marks. MS Access can be started by double clicking the mouse on MS Access icon displayed on the desktop or through Start All Programs, Microsoft Office, Microsoft Access 2013. Second question. Write the names of 5 database programs. It consists of 5 marks. The 5 database programs are number 1 DBase, number 2 MS Access, number 3 Fox Pro, number 4 Progress, number 5 Ingress. Question number 7. It consists of 10 marks. Question number 1. Write what is a record. It consists of 5 marks. Records are the rows in a table, that is, MS Access breaks down each table into records and fields to track data, or so records are a rows in a table. Second question. What is use of a query? It consists of 5 marks. A query is required for data results, for action on data, or for both. We can use a query to answer a simple questions, to perform calculations, to combine data from different tables, or even to add, change or delete table data. Queries that you use to retrieve data from a table or make calculations are called select queries. Queries that add, change or delete data cells are called action queries. Question number 8. It consists of 10 marks. Question number 1. What is a formula? It consists of 5 marks. The answer is, a formula is a mathematical equation such as adding or subtracting two numbers. A formula involves numbers, values and cell address. For doing calculations, a formula begins with equal to sign. Question 2. How can you delete a row? It consists of 5 marks. The answer is, for deleting rows, use the following steps. Number 1. Select rows that you want to delete. Number 2. On the Home tab in the cell group, click the arrow next to delete and then do the following. Number 1. To delete selected rows, click delete sheet rows. Number 2. Then right click as selection of rows and then delete it. Question 9. It consists of 10 marks. Number 1. What are features of MS Excel? It consists of 5 marks. The answer is, the features of MS Excel are: number 1. MS Excel presents the data in tabular form. Number 2. It can do mathematical calculations very easily. Number 3. It can present the data in the form of charts. Number 4. It can make use of formulas and functions for mathematical calculations. Number 5. MS Excel can be used for data analysis. Question number 2. What is a spreadsheet? It consists of 5 marks. A spreadsheet is a worksheet in which we can manage data in form of columns and rows. A spreadsheet can solve our problems of data handling and long calculations. A spreadsheet software provides faculties of doing various calculations and formulas, etc. Example, Microsoft Excel. Question 10. It consists of 10 marks. What is use of scanner? First question. It consists of 5 marks. So the answer is, a scanner is an input device. It is used to scan photographs, documents and other text and can store them in the computer. The most common types of scanners are flatbed scanner, sheet-fed scanner and handheld scanner. Number 2. What is use of pen drive? It consists of 5 marks. The uses of pen drive are, a pen drive is a small device which can store more information than a CD. It can be used for storing music, videos and other information storage capacity. The storage capacity of pen drive can be up to 256 GB. Information written on pen drive can be erased and rewritten any number of times. Question number 11. It consists of 10 marks. Write any 5 disadvantages of internet. Answer. The 5 disadvantages of internet are: number 1. Theft of personal information. Electronic messages sent over internet can be easily tracked, revealing who is talking to whom and what they are talking about. Second one, internet addiction. The symptoms are comparable to any addiction: withdrawal, loss of relationships or jobs and significant time consumption. Third one, children's concern. Children using the internet has become a big concern. Most parents do not realize the dangers involving when their children log on to the internet. Fourth one, virus threat. Computers are mainly getting viruses from internet. Virus is a program which disrupts normal functioning of computer system. Fifth one, spamming. Spamming is often viewed as the act of sending unsolicited email. This multiple or vast emailing is often compared to mass junk mailings. Question number 12. It consists of 10 marks. What is the function of CPU in computer? The functions of CPU in computer are: the most important parts of computer is central processing unit, that is CPU. A CPU is a brain of computer. It processes data and produces result. It is divided into 3 parts. A. ALU, arithmetic logic unit. It can do operations like adding, subtracting, multiplying and dividing, etc. B. CU, control unit. Control unit controls functions of computer. It is a bridge between ALU and memory. It has control over different parts of computer. It takes input from input unit and gives instructions to store the data in memory, process data and sends results to unit. C1, memory. Memory is main part of CPU where information is stored. In case of need, this stored information can be seen on screen of monitor or can be printed. So thereby we completed this question paper. Thank you. Vertiporous planes.